AWOL Vision's new Aetherion Max and Pro are easily two of the most impressive ultra-short throw projectors of 2026. But are they actually worth your money? Honestly, if you can grab the Max at an early bird price around $2,200, it's kind of a steal. At full price, though, $4,199, it's a tougher sell with competition like the Hisense PX4 Pro coming in strong. Performance-wise, this thing is insane. You're getting a verified 6001:1 native contrast ratio, which means blacks look way deeper than most UST projectors out there. Plus, it can throw a massive 200-inch image while staying sharp edge to edge, which is seriously impressive. Gamers are gonna love this too. 1ms input lag, VRR, and Dolby Vision gaming support make it one of the best gaming projectors available right now. The main difference between the Max and Pro is brightness. The Max is better for bright living rooms with 300 lumens, while the Pro's 2600 lumens makes more sense for darker home theater setups. Downsides? HDR highlight clipping can happen in tricky scenes, and setup still takes some manual tweaking. Overall, if you want a premium projector that can replace your TV, the Aetherion Max and Pro absolutely deliver.